Thank you for buying Robomow from Friendly Robotics, the simplest, safest and most convenient way to maintain your lawn. It's simple. Robomow will automatically depart from its base station on the days and at the times you have scheduled, mow your lawn and return for charging. It's convenient. Robomow gives you free time for other more productive things. Robomow is an advanced battery-powered electric mulcher, making it environmentally friendly as well. Robomow will cover the entire lawn, including mowing along the edges. There is no pre-programming necessary. Your Robomow mulches the lawn and buries the small clippings into the grass, creating a natural, healthy soil nutrient, while eliminating the need to collect the clippings. Robomow. It mows. You don't. It's important to read and understand all operating and safety instructions in the manual before operating Robomow. Robomow comes fully prepared. Only a few easy tasks need to be performed in order to enable its operation. All the accessories needed to set up Robomow on your lawn are supplied with the product. The following are included with Robomow: base station, perimeter wire, pegs, robo ruler, power supply, 2 metal pegs for the base station, operating and safety manual. The first step is to determine the best location for the base station on your lawn. Set it in the biggest plot or zone. It is recommended to place the base station in a shady spot, in the backyard, where it is not visible to the street. Do not place it on a slope or too close to a corner or sprinkler. The distance between a receptacle and the base station is limited. If the distance is too far, contact a qualified electric professional to install a power source within the specified distance. It is also possible to locate the base station outside the lawn. Refer to the External Base chapter in your manual. Starting at the base station location, pull the wire ends with a plot connector out of the plastic covering. Peg the beginning of the wire to the ground where the base station will be located. Be sure to leave 30 centimeters, 12 inches, to close the loop at the end of the setup. Start laying the wire counterclockwise, laying it loosely along the lawn edges. Start setting the perimeter wire by placing pegs every few meters and at the lawn corners. Use the robo ruler provided to set the correct distance from the lawn edge as shown. Upon hammering the peg to its final depth in the ground, pull the wire tight. It's essential that the peg's head is hammered below ground level. Use the entire length of the robo ruler as wall edge, as shown. Remember that you will want to test the wire setup before you fill in additional pegs. Use the robo ruler for accurate placement of the wire when bypassing obstacles at the lawn edges. When the edges of obstacles are too low or too soft to be detected by Robomow bumpers, use the perimeter wire to create a perimeter island around the obstacle. Both wires leading to the perimeter island should be parallel and touching. Apply the same method for flower beds, young trees and ponds. After pegging the wire all around the lawn, join the beginning and the end wires. Proper setup of the wire will assure better performance of your Robomow. Please refer to the perimeter wire setup chapter in your operating and safety manual for more details. The last step to complete is attaching the perimeter wire ends to the base station board. Once laying the perimeter wire is completed and pegged to the ground, The last step to complete is attaching the perimeter wire ends to the base station board and testing the setup. There are 2 loose wire ends where the perimeter wire setup was started. Use the same peg to fasten these 2 perimeter wire ends down to the ground and twist them. Cut the wire end without the connector so they are of equal length. Discard any excess wire. Strip back 6 millimeters of insulation from the wire end. Insert the free perimeter wire into hole of connector using a small flat screwdriver. Tighten the screw to secure the perimeter wire into the connector. Connect the perimeter wire connector to the base station board. Carefully lay the length of the cord out, beginning from the base station and leading to the main power supply, and ensure it is fastened securely to the ground so it does not present a tripping hazard. Connect the power supply cord to the base station board. Route the power supply cord into the base station cover. Close the cover of the base station. Confirm it is locked well in its place. Align the base station on the perimeter wire, so the wire is aligned with the 2 central lines marked at the front and rear side of the base station. Connect the power supply to a regular household receptacle. A small flashing green light in the base station cover indicates the system is on and functioning properly. To set the cutting height, lift the bumper cover and rotate the cutting height adjustment knob. To connect the fuse, remove the strip and insert the fuse together with its cover. Robomow will now wake up. There is enough energy for the setup. However, it is required to fully charge Robomow for 16 hours before the first operation.